process. She is, however, expected to attend Sunday night's gala.
Back in Spain, today on the 28th of February, the southern region of Andalusia celebrates its big day. 45 years ago, in 1980, Andalusians celebrated a referendum to become an autonomous region. Thus, the southern territories came together to form one of the historic regions in our country.
Since then, Andalusia has been growing and evolving. It is estimated that 17% of the Spanish population is Andalusian. That is more than 8 million people. However, 45 years after its institution as an autonomous region, 4 out of 10 Andalusians are in risk of poverty or exclusion. That is 11 points above the national average, and 10 out of the 15 poorest neighborhoods in Spain are located in the region.
In spite of the difficulties, the last survey released by the Centra Foundation, the Center of Andalusian Studies, revealed that 8 out of 10 Andalusians are proud to be Andalusians because of the people, the quality of life, and the traditions.
And the future of the region seems to match the color of its flag, green. Several pioneering projects are currently being developed in Andalusia with the objective of fighting against global warming and pollution in our country and in Europe.
The region of Andalusia has considerably contributed to the art and culture of Spain, from poet Lorca to singer Camarón de la Isla, who we're listening to now.
Camarón de la Isla, considered to be one of the greatest flamenco singers in history, was Andalusian, but he was also Romani. In 2025, we commemorate 600 years since the Roma people arrived in the Iberian Peninsula. A special broadcast in this station, Radio Exterior de España, King Felipe VI, dedicated some words to the Roma people in our country.
Este 2025 conviene recordar que la historia de España también está construida junto a la
This
identidad.
2025, we must remember that Spain's history is built together with the identity of the Roma people, a friendly people proud of their roots, always ready to contribute, people of peace, art, and culture that are part of our being.
Que forma parte de nuestro ser como nación.
Back in January, the Council of Ministers declared the year 2025 as the year of the Roma people in Spain, to celebrate their contribution to our country, but also to raise awareness of the issues that this community still faces. King Felipe was named honorary godfather of this celebration.
Que no se nos olvide en este aniversario que las personas
We must not forget on this anniversary that Romani people still face barriers in such important areas like housing and employment, and with significant needs in health and education.
significativas en salud y educación.
King Felipe finished his speech sending a message of gratitude to the Roma people in Spain, with whom we have a past in common and with whom today we build a present and future of respect and comprehension. He also sent a message to this station.
Gracias a Radio Exterior por ser la voz de España.